Barcelona is one of those cities that refuses to let you go. From the moment you step onto its sun-drenched streets, you feel a pulse, a rhythm that blends centuries of history with a modern electric energy. Nestled along the northeastern coast of Spain, this Catalan capital has earned its place among the most visited cities in the world, and for very good reason. Whether you are drawn to breathtaking architecture, golden beaches, world-class food, or vibrant nightlife, Barcelona delivers on every front. So let us take a journey through the very best places this extraordinary city has to offer. No visit to Barcelona is complete without standing before the Sagrada Familia. Antoni Gaudi's masterpiece has been under construction since 1882 and continues to evolve into something truly otherworldly. The basilica's towering spires pierce the sky like stone flames, and its facades tell biblical stories through intricate carvings that reward every careful glance. Step inside, and you are greeted by a forest of branching columns bathed in kaleidoscopic light pouring through stained glass windows. It is a spiritual and artistic experience unlike anything else on Earth. Booking your tickets in advance is strongly recommended, as this is one of the most visited monuments in all of Europe. Just a short distance from the city centre sits Park Gael, another Gaudí creation that feels like stepping into a living fairy tale. Originally designed as a residential garden city, the project was never fully completed, but what remains is absolutely magical. Colourful mosaic terraces, winding stone pathways, and sculptural archways blend seamlessly with the natural hillside landscape. From the main terrace, you are rewarded with one of the most stunning panoramic views of Barcelona, stretching all the way to the Mediterranean Sea. The park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to Gaudí's boundless imagination. Las Ramblas is perhaps Barcelona's most famous street, a lively, tree-lined boulevard that stretches nearly 1.5 kilometers from Plaça de Catalunya down to the waterfront. Street performers, flower stalls, outdoor cafes, and curious travelers fill this iconic promenade at all hours of the day. Just steps away lies the Gothic Quarter, or Barri Gothic, where narrow medieval lanes wind past ancient Roman ruins, Gothic churches, and hidden plazas. Losing yourself in these cobblestone streets is one of the great pleasures of visiting Barcelona. Every corner reveals something unexpected: a centuries-old fountain, a tiny tapas bar, or a beautifully preserved Roman wall. Barcelona's relationship with the sea is deep and undeniable. Barceloneta Beach is the city's most beloved stretch of sand, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and lively atmosphere. The beachfront promenade is lined with chiringuitos, casual beach bars serving fresh seafood and cold drinks, making it an ideal spot to unwind after a day of sightseeing. Further along the waterfront, the Port Olympic area buzzes with restaurants and nightlife, while the striking Park Gael fish sculpture gleams brilliantly in the sunlight. The waterfront as a whole is a celebration of Barcelona's coastal identity. Rising above the city to the southwest, Montjuïc Hill is home to some of Barcelona's most rewarding cultural experiences. The Montjuïc Castle offers sweeping views over the city and the harbour, while the Fundació Joan Miró showcases the vibrant, colourful works of one of Catalonia's most beloved artists. The Magic Fountain of Montjuïc puts on a spectacular light and music show on weekend evenings that draws crowds of all ages. On the opposite side of the city, football fans will find their paradise at Camp Nou, the legendary home stadium of FC Barcelona and one of the largest football stadiums in the world. A tour of the stadium and its museum is an unforgettable experience for any sports enthusiast. Barcelona is not simply a destination, it is a feeling. It is the warmth of the afternoon sun on a terrace, the taste of fresh patatas bravas, the echo of Catalan voices in a centuries-old square. Every neighbourhood has its own character, every street its own story. Whether you spend 3 days or 3 weeks here, Barcelona will leave its mark on you in ways that are difficult to put into words but impossible to forget.